Question 2. Here is a spinner. It is a regular octagon. Remember, octagon has 8 sides and 8 sections. It says, write a number in each section of the spinner so that all of the following statements are true. So, statement number 1, it is impossible that you will get a 1. So, therefore, we can have no 1s. We're not allowed to have any 1s. There is an even chance that you'll get a 2. Well, if it's going to be an even chance, it must mean half of the numbers are 2s. Now, if there's 8 sections altogether, half of them need to be 2s, so we can just write 2 on half of them. It doesn't matter which half of them or which 4 of them we write it on, but I'm just going to keep it simple, so we're going to write 2s on these 4 together, and that's half of them are 2s. The next 2 statements say it is more likely you'll get a 3 than a 4, so we need more 3s than 4s. But it also says it is equally likely that you'll get a 4 or a 5. So we need the same amount of 4s as 5s. Well, let's put a 4 and a 5 on to begin with. So we've got a 1 4 and 1 5. So that bottom statement is taken care of. It's equally likely with 1 4 and 5. But we need to have more 3s than 4s. Well, if we put 1 3 on, at the moment there are the same 3s as 4s. So this last remaining section is going to have to be a 3, so that there are more 3s than 4s. Now at this point, it's a good idea that we just check through the statements. It is impossible that we will get a 1. Well, there are no 1s there, so that statement is ticked off. There is an even chance that you'll get a 2. So even is 50-50 or half and half. So half the numbers are 2s, half the numbers aren't 2s. So that statement is ticked off. It is more likely that you will get a 3 than a 4. Well, there are 2 3s and only 1 4. So yes, it is more likely to get a 3. And it is equally likely you'll get a 4 or a 5. Well, there's only 1 4 and there's only 1 5. That is equally likely. So all 4 statements are correct. It doesn't matter where you put these numbers, so you could fill it in differently with 2s in different places and the 3s in different places, but as long as you've got 4 2s, 2 3s, 1 5 and 1 4, anywhere on that spinner, you will get the correct answer.